everybody, my name is Laura and today I'm going to show you how to use a coffee maker. This is essential to my life. I make coffee every day. Can't live without coffee, but this coffee is not the average coffee you're going to see at like a typical house. This is it's called Nagreca, which is a coffee maker. Makes espresso coffee. A lot of Hispanic Dominican families use this. That's how we make our coffee. I'll open it up so you guys can see how it looks. So it goes like this. You take this out. The coffee goes in here. The water goes in here. And then eventually the coffee and the water will evaporate and come out of this through here. So this essentially just makes espresso coffee. That's pretty much it that it makes. The coffee is very strong. How I like it. It wakes me up in the morning. But I'm going to show you guys how to use it and how I prepare my coffee. So we have the water in here. Put this in here. No. This is my coffee. I usually measure it, but I'm not going to measure it. Try not to spill it. Alright. So I usually just hit it or use my finger to make sure that the coffee is good. I usually fill it up to the top, but since it's for video purposes, I won't fill it up. So now we're gonna shake it up. Close it. Then you close like this. Make sure that it's tight, but not too tight, because see, I put it too tight. Once it gets hot, it'll get tighter. But this is essentially it. The coffee hasn't came up, and then I'm gonna show you the process of it. The coffee maker is on the stove. It usually takes about 3 to 4 minutes, maybe like 5, depends. And then the coffee is gonna come up on the top. I'll show you guys once it starts boiling, but then you just leave it here. And basically what it does, the coffee goes from the bottom to the top. Usual coffee maker that you might see in an American household go from the top to the bottom, and then you put the paper on top, water, and then on the glass. But this way it goes from the bottom up. Now I'll tell you guys why in a little bit. So for this part, you might want to be careful, but it looks like this. The coffee is done. Ooh. As you can see, it comes from the bottom up. But the coffee is done, and now you just serve it up in your favorite cup, which I'm about to do, and you're ready. But this coffee is stronger than like your typical coffee, so that's why a lot of Cubans give it to you in a small cup. But I drink a lot of it. It wakes me up, and this is how I make my morning coffee using a Greca Dominicana.